Bababulala.
But you know Babulawa Mabuno SPC. Yes. You know why? It's because of the hunger. But should we starve everyone, including Amapun? Let the government takes everything from everyone. It's so bad. But for as long as Abasa Kentima is Sabintala, because Lababanya bus control because bus niggas Uguta. This country will never survive. And that's the only truth. Especially Christian. One thing I liked about Christian, he was a fearless leader. Yeah, he was a fearless leader. But like he was brave. In terms of killing Christian, because there wasn't a single white person
on the day he was killed.
Confronted Christian.
Yeah, on the day Christian was killed. We took the bodyguard guy only far off. And that's when he was killed.
And then you know what? Why
so
that
what
is
we had a mistake. Why
is that happening? The bodyguard guy. You know what that is happening? I'll try to get you guys to know when the day came for you to die. And the way of when I grown up myself is Limpopo River that it goes to Elwande, Mozambique. Mozambique. I used to go and bathe Elwande. I mean Limpopo River. And then my mom, umdala kumama wami Stembu, second wife. Yeah. Ubaba wami. Utatuwe ngwenya. That's why she died. Oh. But if is that day, fanele ngwenya yokuthatha. Ingwenya liyana itumelwe. When you feel like it's too hot, let's go to Limpopo River your guys. This way ngwenya liyana. Abaku ikuimela.
Oh yeah, no, I'm with you. It's like you're saying, if it's your day to die, there's no way to escape.
There's no way to escape.
No one can escape.
No one. He was feel like I'm a free. No one. Mina ngizothenga like a paper. Ukrizana ayothenga iphepha yena ngokwaye.
Krizani.
Yabona. I think ngiyazambela nje. I'm a free. Who ate me? No one. Let me go and buy my own
answer your question. South Africa be right. Everybody must starve. We must all start from the ground. Let the state take everything from everyone. Khona manje ayisekho excuse. Abantwana bethu bafundile. Dala bebathi thina sifunda. Now abantwana bethu bafundile, they're still starving.
Get even a job.
So njengoba bathi bafundile manje bathi balahla amasiko wabo. Mase angithi bakhuluma isilungu. Base bayayidivert bayenze i-excuse. Bathi manje sebalahla amasiko ngoba abasazi
nemarindala yona ngaphenza
bayibiza beef. Inkukhu bathi KFC. What is this? KFC.
So beef.
Manje yabona it's confusing. It's a confusion. Angithi ngasikhathi bangazi isilungu. Besithi abafundanga. So ukufunda ukwazi isilungu. Ne? But what you are educated, it's when you can speak English fluently.
Yeah. But now things are different. When we say you're educated, do something out of nothing. They can't do. Come up with something.
And they said
it's a serious challenge for this.
And it's still a problem.
To me, it doesn't education. Come up with from nothing. Come up with something wins something. From nothing wins something. stomach, some say akhala, now
English doesn't put food on the table.
I understand.
The other thing, Africans, Gori, we are educated in a way of consuming what exists. As quasi produce. We need to teach our kids. We need to teach our kids the way to invent, like the Chinese and the Japanese, because our kids go to school and their education is stupid. They are still going through the same system. And
to control us.
A stupid education. It's our leader. Our leaders killed us.
Better education. Explain better education. They can't
be like China.
No, say I told the answer. Kusho ukuthi system education yethu akumelanga abantwana baye escala for looking for work. The achievement doesn't have to look for work. You need to create work.
Because
they compromise, they have to compromise the standard by hand. Umuntu afundele IT mara uyomthola apusha amatroli ukutaka ukubalance equate.
And enye flop na sifundisa abantwana bethu mara yena osapeka mina ubona mina as a role model, which is not wrong, but it's wrong. The system is wrong because mina foundation is not better, actually it's poor. Yakhe is better. Understand? I got started from nothing, Jingam.
The most marking gadget we are using in our time, which is a cell phone, is fixed by Indians. Millions of people every day they're buying new phones.
Yes.
Millions of phones are damaged every day.
Yeah, so
who's fixing them?
So what you saying right now? I'm listening to you. What you saying, you say our kids must be Indians and Chinese.
They must be like that.
No, it won't happen. They can't have the same skills that the Chinese and the Indians have.
So, but we have to come up with something.
We need to be, I don't like to use the word black, but we've been labeled black. We must do what a black must do. We must find what can make us to solve. I'm trying to solve the issue. Let us not feel weak. We don't have that gift. Social media umntwana Pakistan wenza igandaganda ngemoto iyafunctiona like yabakubonisa ivideo bese bakubonisa odaki uya preach asaka
system
mar angisho ukuthi that's who we are. We must drive them there. Bheka manje ama handwork our science umntwana manje akwazi ukwenza imoto amadrata uthatha isigubhu samahewu afake idrata afake amavili.
No times when we grew up, we used to have gardens.
Yeah.
Rona, we have teach them, we have taught them already. How about abroad you must go to the shop. How about a cabbage you must go to. How about a tomato, everything you must go to the shop. And we go and look for the whites. We get paid. The very same money. Sasa Satana say right here.
I circulate within us.
Not within us. Anyway, the division that I was telling you about. Do you really like we open-minded? Do you really think it's easy for Mutumos or support Mutumos?
It's not easy.
No, it's not easy. You know why? Because we are divided. And then Saturday land to learn so melanga lengazel. Understand? Now my team zothathi imali yami support uJerry uthatha le mali yenyangeni yakhe. Yongithakatha uthi mina ngingasasebenza. No shit, I want to support him. Kamara ngiyesibanye uthenga khona.
But the other thing,
division in jail. We will never get this country.
the other
We will
thing,
never win.
the other thing, Ebola and Dagikori. Like, let's say now.
Let's chase the boys out of this country and so on. We are need and you need.
Yeah.
Because they're not there.
Yeah.
If we're not like if we're doing a cover to fix the phone, fix the phone.
Yeah.
Understand?
So develop and so
Yes. Konama tata yo what we call saloon saloon he can make 10,000 a day. When
yeah.
The
other thing are supporting.
So first thing first, these Chinas, we must chase them away. The Boers, we must chase them away. The Indians, everybody must go back to their own countries.
Yeah.
Need our need. Can I skills so when I also when I skills so then I know or no. I must face reality now. This is my brother. I must support him. And that's why my guru are Solam Hot. Libur le saloon ya motho mosomo a menya le buru mo a tlo puta go saloon ya gago because they know they need each other. They need another. Rona, we don't know because we don't love each other.
It's a fact.
I don't want to see you.
We don't see the reason of drilling each other.
Yeah,
because there's option.
Today Rega Z4, Rega X5, it's gonna end in tears. Already I'm praying for your downfall.
Yeah.
As one of you, no, even your mentality, your brains,
No,
that evil mind.
I can hold the bell no, like in the saloon second, more able. We nearly 3 but vamos a Africa va una en saloon. Olano Zamaide, I metro. We were the best, the most supported. Olano give up because Majita was fit Mukwala Mahar from Mozambique, Zimbabwe. And I want to know the future is no longer looking bright. At Zamaya, no, we let SNPF, we let Metro Police, the Ekrule. Meumona una Sahile and Outamai. Lena I've gave up because keep on a fail. Tell about Kuala like the way the Indians operate, and they are like how suffocate. What's a mama? The same people that are still supporting the same people. But don't about South Africa go. We are our own distraction. And we don't realize that. We hate ourselves so much to a point that we don't want to see each other growing. And then
Kiona round table podcast.
So this thing I would tell you if we to get rid of the enemy.
Yeah.
The first wisdom. Oh, who's our enemy? Get rid of the enemy first.